Hello, dear audience. My name is Leonardo and I'm always the host of the ASCAPE vlog. I really enjoy anything that has to do with science, and lately anything related to healthcare. In this 5th episode, I want to learn how hospitals can share their AI knowledge and how ASCAPE is using federated learning to achieve this goal. My guest from the previous episode claims to be an expert on this stuff. Let's test him. For the first question, I want to go back to basics. What is federated learning and why is it used in ASCAPE?
Federated learning is a machine learning approach where multiple devices or servers collaboratively train a shared model while keeping their data decentralized and private, allowing collective learning without sharing raw data. It's like a group of students studying together without sharing their personal notes. ASCAPE handles sensitive data, which is why the project relies on privacy-preserving mechanisms like homomorphic encryption and federated learning. Since numerous hospitals may want to collaborate in order to train certain models, it is important to use state-of-the-art techniques to protect the data at various steps of this process. Federated learning leaves the data at the hospital which it originated from, thus eliminating the possibility of it being accessed while in transit. Each hospital trains these models locally, after which the models themselves are collected in a central location where they are combined to create a shared global model. This way, no data is moved around in the system, only models are sent between the hospitals and the ASCAPE server. Federated learning also relies on additional security mechanisms in the background like differential privacy.
All these sound legit. Can you show me how you do it?
Sure. Each hospital prepares the data it has available for training and exports it to the ASCAPE Edge components located at the hospital. Following this, the training of local models is initialized. Once this is done, each hospital starts training federated learning models locally, using this data. They train these federated learning models on their own for a while, after which they upload the trained models to the ASCAPE server where they are combined. The newly combined model is then sent out to all participating edge nodes and training continues. Prediction making is triggered by the end of the training process. Multiple patients' data for each follow-up date is ingested by the hospital's edge node and predictions are generated using both local and global federated learning models. The next step is to determine the model with the best score and come up with the optimum intervention.
See you soon, folks. We will come back with more science stuff. Did I tell you to follow me on social media? ASCAPE has accounts on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. You can also find a ton of material on our website to get into technical details about related scientific fields and even ways to contact us. So far, you should know that I work on a project funded under European Commission's Horizon 2020. Of course, I cannot do everything by myself. In ASCAPE are participating 15 organizations from 10 European countries involving big companies, SMEs, research centers, universities, and hospitals. As a result, I have all the expertise that I need.